Hey guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. My name is Shirley and welcome to a work from home vlog. And today I am just going to be taking you through an average typical work from day. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak in this video already. But today I am going to be taking you guys through a work from home vlog day. Yes. Oh my gosh, who knew English could be so hard? Anyway, this video is in collaboration with the Oodie, but more on that a bit later. It is currently now about 7 a.m. and I need to head out for my daily walk and coffee run. So typically when I'm working from home, I wake up around 6:30. Which is the time that I woke up today. Woke up at 6:30, showered, did my morning routine, did my skincare, took my multivitamins and anything that I needed to take for the day. So that usually takes me about half an hour. Now it's 7 and now I'm gonna head out for a walk. Lately what I've been doing is I've been going down to my local cafe, bringing my iPad and doing my journaling and my to-do list at the cafe, which is what I'll most likely do today. And then I wanna be back home and at my desk by 7:30 a.m. Yes, that's a bit early, but work has been quite intense lately, so yes, I'm just having to work like a bit longer hours than normal. Anyway, I have spoken enough already. Let's go outside. So it is now a little after 7:30 and I am back in my apartment. Went out, got my coffee, did a little bit of journaling, my morning journaling, which really helps, and also did my to-do list. So I know what exactly all the things that I need to be doing for today. And now I am back. I actually wanted to go for a little walk as well, in addition to my little journaling session, but then it started raining and I was like, you know what, it's probably a sign that I need to be at my desk. Anyway, we are home now and I want to get comfy, because if there's anything about working from home that is absolutely number one priority, it is getting comfy. I know like some people talk about how you should like dress up when you're at home because it'll make you like in the zone and all that kind of stuff. No, I am not that person. I am not that person. If I am working from home, I am capitalizing, working in very comfy clothing. Like at the moment, I've just got t-shirt and leggings on. I'll typically be in trackies, in a hoodie or whatnot. But today we are going to be even more comfy than normal because the Oodie sent a package over that we're gonna open up and see what it's all about. So this is her, opened up with a little ribbon. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so soft. I don't think I can explain how soft it is. I am really liking it. So this is gonna be my work attire for today because one, it is winter here in Australia. It is freezing as hell and I wanna be comfy, I wanna be warm, and I'm working from home, so I get to wear whatever I want. So let's put it on. Guys, like look at that material. Like look at the fluff. It literally looks like a cloud. It feels like a cloud. I've never felt a cloud before, but if I was to feel a cloud, I feel like a cloud would feel like this. Oh, guys, it's so warm. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am genuinely thoroughly in love with mine and I would not recommend you guys get something that I'm not absolutely in love with. So with that being said, I highly recommend that you go over to theoodie.com and you can use the code shirleykchaps35 to get $35 off your order. Anyway, guys, I am all warm, I am all comfy. Let's sit at our desk and let's have a look at what work is looking like for today. All right, guys, so we are now at our desk and ready to work. For anyone who's new here, I work as a resourcing specialist at an investment bank. So essentially, I am hired to partner with hiring managers, help them fill their recruitment needs, speak with candidates, and all the things that a recruiter does. So yeah, at the moment, just sitting at my desk. So what I like to start each day off with is filling up my water bottle, my timed one, because I'm trying to make sure that I have enough water. And then what I like to do is I like to have a look at my calendar, just because my role is so focused on speaking with people, meeting with hiring managers and all that kind of stuff. I like to be aware of what meetings are coming up, what I need to prepare for those meetings. So first thing of the day is I do my to-do list. So I break down, let's say from 8 till 10 p.m. From 8 till 10 a.m. I'm doing my emails, and then maybe from 10 till 11 I'm preparing for my meetings, and then maybe another time I'm working on like getting contracts out and things like that. So I like to break my days apart. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to do my to-do list. I believe first action item for today is just going to spend about an hour or so doing my emails. I get hundreds of emails come in at any given day, just because I'm so people focused or people centric. There's a lot of comms that go back and forth with different stakeholders. So I like to get in early and do my emails early on before like people start pinging me on things like Teams and stuff. So I'm just going to do some admin things and then I will check in with you guys a bit later. It is currently now 11 a.m. and oh, my brain has been cooked. So pretty much been at my desk since like 7:45, and I've just been doing emails and emails and emails since. Like I think I started off with an inbox of about 190, and now I've gotten it down. I think it's sitting at a 152. But that's just the emails are already there, and I've been actioning the ones that have been coming in as well, plus Teams messages. So it's just been a lot of responding to people, and requests can be so different. Like I had somebody ask me about a visa that I needed to get back to, needed to update hiring managers on candidates that we had in process, needed to get back to candidates about their reference checks, background checks, needed to like initiate offers and things like that. So there's just like so many different requests that can come in at any given point in time, and it's just trying to stay on top of them. So now it's 11. I still have so many emails to action and so many like jobs to tidy up, but I have quite a number of meetings coming up this afternoon. I've got an 11:30 check-in with a hiring manager to give them an update on their role. I've got another 11:45 check-in. So my check-ins, I try to keep them at 15 minutes each, just because I've got so many hiring managers on. I can't afford to give everyone half an hour. Sometimes it's much less than 15 minutes. I just try to get in and get out. So I've got an 11:30, I've got an 11:45, then I've got a 12:30 briefing, I've got a 12:45 recruitment catch up, I've got a 1:15 recruitment catch up, I've got a 3 p.m. recruitment catch up, and then I've also got another 3:30 recruitment catch up. So there's just like so many calls in, and obviously if I'm going to give people an update, I need to prepare the update. So I'm now going to use the next hour just to prepare for my meetings, make sure I'm going informed, giving market updates, giving updates on where candidates are at, and just tidying things up. I usually tend to get hungry around this time, just because, as you would have noticed, I haven't eaten yet. All I've had is coffee. So typically I make my breakfast / lunch around this time, between like 11 and 12. So I'm just going to make myself a quick big breakfast. Speak for too long in the spot, just because there's kids outside and they're being a bit noisy, but it is currently now 3:15 p.m. and I pretty much haven't left my desk since I had food at around like 11:30 or whatever time it was. And yeah, I've just been going at it. Now I'm gonna take a little break. I've got a call coming up at 3:30, but I'm gonna take a little break just because I need to do my laundry, because I am going away home for the weekend and I need some things to bring along. Any other day I probably would have just sat at my desk until like 6 or whatever time it is, which is not great. But yeah, I just feel like I need to get up. I've been super productive. I've been getting a lot of things done. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now just because those kids are making a lot of noise. Gonna do some personal admin and then I'll catch up with you guys a bit. It is within a range of what we can offer for this role. It is now 5:30 p.m. and I am so cooked. I'm just tired, and yeah, the day is done. I still have so much to do. Like tomorrow I'm probably gonna have to log on again. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna have to start again around 7:30 a.m. just because there's just a lot of work to be done. But yeah, I'm done for the day. So that was pretty much it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed coming along to work with me today. I really was hoping to talk a bit more and show you guys a bit more, but the day just got away from me and it just got so busy. And yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching. With all that being said and done, dream big, keep well, and hustle hard. I'll catch you again in the next one. Bye.